Hey, it's Stacy with Home Organized Tribe, and I'm back with another 2-minute tidy tip. And today is tip number 75. If your kitchen feels like it's always in a state of chaos, or you're constantly wiping up the crumbs while tripping over cluttered counters, this episode is for you. Remember, these 2-minute tidy tips are short, simple ideas to help you reset your home one step at a time. So let's dive in. Today, we're talking about quick wins in the kitchen because sometimes you just need to feel that little boost of progress without overhauling your entire space. Sometimes that's just way too overwhelming to even think about, right? I want you to focus on these three things. Number one, wipe down the fronts of the appliances. It takes less than 2 minutes, but scrubbing those smudges off your dishwasher, fridge, or microwave instantly make the whole space look cleaner. You're going to be surprised how much of a difference this one little task makes. Number two, choose one counter spot to clear. We all have that one spot in our kitchen that's the drop zone. For mail, keys, snacks, whatever. Everybody seems to drop stuff there. I want you to set a timer for just 2 or 3 minutes, and I want you to set that one small spot. Get everything back where it belongs because we know it doesn't belong there. You don't need to do the entire kitchen. It's just this one counter spot really does create a visual calm and momentum in your thought process. Just tackle that one spot. Number three, do a sneaky toss of expired food. Check one shelf in the fridge or the pantry and toss anything expired or questionable. This not only makes room, but it also helps you avoid waste during your next trip or forgetting something during your next trip if you thought it was good and it wasn't. The truth is, you don't need to do everything. You just need to do something. Small wins lead to lasting change, especially in the kitchen where the chaos can build very fast. So, if you loved this quick boost, you'll love my full kitchen reset program. In this program, I guide you through every cabinet, drawer, junk drawers, pantry, you name it. We're going to tackle all the cabinets and really go through what to keep, what to get rid of, how to make decisions, how to stop from being overwhelmed. We work on all of it. This is in my full kitchen reset program. If you're like, Stacy, I just need to tackle a few things at a time because I'm so overwhelmed with my entire house, I would highly recommend you start with my 10-minute home reset challenge. In this program, I literally take you through 10 minutes in all the hot spots of my house. I video recorded and I sped it up during my actual 10 minutes so you don't have to waste time. But I show you how quickly you can make such a big impact on your house in just 10 minutes. So if that is something that will help you baby step your way into it, grab that for only $10. And I have 10 rooms in there that I show you how to quickly reset. All right. The links are in the description. If you need more help, I'd love for you to comment below. Let me know, how's your kitchen feeling? What's the hot spot? If you tackle this, share with us what your wins and what your struggles are. And let's do this together. I look forward to seeing you in the next 2-minute tidy tip. Happy resetting.